Welcome to this lesson on 2 essential English phrases for polite communication. Today, we will learn when and how to use sorry and excuse me. These phrases are crucial for showing respect and politeness in everyday English conversations. English has 2 main phrases for apologizing and getting attention politely. Sorry is used when you did something wrong or caused a problem. Excuse me is used when you need to politely get someone's attention or interrupt them. Understanding the difference between these 2 phrases is very important for proper communication. Use sorry when you made a mistake. For example, if you arrive late to a meeting, you would say, "Sorry, I'm late." Use sorry when you caused inconvenience or created a problem. For instance, if you made a mess, you would apologize by saying sorry for the mess. Also use sorry when you need to refuse something politely. For example, "Sorry, I can't help you today" shows regret while declining a request. Use excuse me when you need someone's attention. For example, in a classroom, you would say, "Excuse me, can I ask a question?" to politely get the teacher's attention. Use excuse me when someone is blocking your way and you need to pass. You would say, "Excuse me, I need to get through." Also use excuse me when you want to politely interrupt a conversation. For instance, "Excuse me, sorry to interrupt. I have urgent news" is a polite way to break into a discussion. The key differences between these phrases lie in tone and emotion. Sorry has a regretful tone because you are taking responsibility for something. It shows that you feel bad about a mistake or problem. The focus is on the mistake itself. Excuse me, on the other hand, has a polite and neutral tone. You do not feel guilty when using it. You are simply being courteous and respectful. The focus is on getting attention or gaining access to something. Avoid using sorry when you only need attention. Saying "Sorry, can you help me?" is incorrect. Instead, say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Also, do not use "excuse me" to apologize. Saying "Excuse me, I broke your phone" is wrong. The correct way is "I'm sorry, I broke your phone." Additionally, avoid using just the word sorry or excuse on its own. Always provide context. Instead of just saying sorry, explain what you are sorry for, such as "Sorry for being late." Similarly, with "excuse me," add what you need, like "Excuse me, I need to pass." When someone says sorry to you, respond with kindness. You can say "It's okay, no problem." You can also say "Don't worry about it" or "That's all right, mistakes happen." When someone says "Excuse me" to you, be helpful and cooperative. Respond with "Yes, of course," "How can I help?" or "Sure, go ahead," or "No problem, what do you need?" Your positive response shows that you accept their politeness and are ready to assist them. Let's recap the main points. Remember, sorry means you did something wrong and you take responsibility for it. Excuse me means you need attention or access to something, and it is not about guilt. Both phrases are essential for showing respect and politeness in English. Use them confidently in your daily conversations. Practice using these phrases regularly in real situations. The more you use them, the more natural and fluent your English will become. Keep practicing, and soon these phrases will become a natural part of your English communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.